Alright, hey guys, here we have a Hunter Original in antique brass with walnut blades. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace today. This is my first antique brass 5-blade original. I've been actually wanting one of these for quite a while. I already have a 4-blade one, but I don't like that one quite as much because it has that fake wood veneer, whereas this is real wood veneer. The blades flip over to antique oak, but I chose to go with the walnut side. Yeah, came 100% complete. It's in pretty good condition. There's a pretty good ding on the tip of one of the blades. Um, Other than that, just general finish blemishes that for some reason these all seem to have to some extent. This fan dates to 1993, so it's my oldest 2-amp original. Yeah, other than that, really cool fan. There's that little ding in the blade. Caused the blade arm to bend backwards a little bit and increase the pitch to like, I don't know, 45 degrees. It was pretty bent. All right. This one does hum a little more than my other ones. Yeah, I think my other ones are pretty much dead silent. All right, let's go to medium. All right, and high. Now, I didn't spend a lot of time balancing this. I just got that one blade bent back into place, but I know it's probably pretty hard to tell from the camera, but this thing is dead level, which you don't get much with originals. They always seem to move around just a little bit. Suppose it could have something to do with my mounting. I think Brian Hicks mentioned that the reason they do that is because how close they are to the ceiling. They don't, they kind of move around in their own wind. And, having a longer down rod helps. This doesn't have a longer down rod, but because of the way I have mine mounted, it does sit about an inch. Yeah, about 2 inches lower than it would normally. So that 2 inches might make a difference. This is the first one that I didn't need to clean internally. This one seems like it's pretty much in perfect condition. Came with oil. In the fan, it didn't actually come with its own individual tube of oil. That'd be nice, but it just doesn't happen. I'm thinking, people usually fill these when they get them, or they don't. and they throw the tube of oil out when they're done installing it and don't think twice about it. This is a 93 model, but it does have the 4 or 5 blade capability. I think this was the first year that was an option. 5 blade only lived from like 90 to 92. It only lasted 2 years, if that. Alright, so I'm going to swap it to 4 blades and I will be right back. Alright, here's the 4 blade configuration. Normally it's like an obvious difference between 4 and 5 blades, but for some reason I'm not noticing as much here. I noticed it like really badly on my nickel one, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm used to seeing 4 blade antique brass ones and I just don't really notice that difference, because when you have a 4 or 5 blade original and you put it on the 4 blade setting, if you will, it just kind of makes like a square in the center of the rotor and it just looks weird to me. But enough about that. Yeah, it looks really weird when you stand under it. It's like a square going in a circular motion. Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. It seems like it's pretty much balanced in the 4 blade configuration too. Definitely good airflow. I wonder if this one has a different, if the rotor's different on this one. I know on my nickel original, the rotor on it was kind of, when it was spun on the lathe, it was kind of off kilter, it almost looked like. And I wonder if that difference in weight is enough to make it wobble ever so slightly. Yeah, look at this one. It's really hard to tell, but it looks like it's perfectly circular on all sides. Spin down seems longer with 4 blades than it was with 5. Alright, well there's my Antique Brass Hunter Original. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.